What is up, guys? It is Vlad from VSM Autolife. I've got another unboxing video for you guys. This one is going to be on this ONYX eraser wheel, or as they call it, adhesive removal system tool. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, this is a tool that really anybody can use, and it's a very amazing tool, guys. What you would use this for is removing old decals on cars, any adhesives, stickers, pinstripes, or anything else that is on your car that is unwanted. So let's take a look at it real quick and see what comes in this box. I will put the link down in the description where you guys can check it out, and I will show you a short video clip of me using not this specific one, but another eraser wheel tool of what it actually does. So straight out of the box, wow, this thing is actually pretty heavy. Let's see what they have for specs on this first. Wait, see if I can find that. So the weight of this is 1.25 pounds according to the box right here, which is pretty heavy, but it makes it feel very solid actually. I've actually own a couple of ONYX tools which are made by Astro, I believe, and they've been really good. Very solid, good quality tools. Okay, so there's nothing in here. Alright, and so this one also actually comes, you got your little tool to change out your eraser wheel, and they also have a little eraser pad. So you don't have to buy that separately if you guys buy this whole kit. I bought this from Amazon, like I do with a lot of my tools. Reason being, very cheap, very affordable, very good quality, easy returns, and I have Amazon Prime, so definitely something that works out for me really well. All right, and then you guys got your warranty info, all the regular stuff, nothing special. Let's see what else I can you guys tell you. So this one actually, I've used quite a few different eraser wheel tools, but this is one of the first that actually has adjustments right here. So you got a low and a high speed, and I believe you have anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000 RPM. So I'm actually really excited to use it and check it out, because when you're using this tool on something like a bumper cover, which is made out of plastic, or anywhere that's plastic, this heats up the surface really hot. And so what happens is, if you're trying to remove decals or adhesive off a bumper cover like a sticker, you're also going to heat up that plastic behind it, and you're going to take off the paint along with the sticker. So be careful when you guys use something like this on plastic. It will work well, great for sides. A lot of the times people try to get rid of pinstripes that are on their fenders, quarter panels, and doors. And like I said, I will put a short video clip of me using it, or how it's done. If you guys want to look up more videos, I know their YouTube has a bunch of videos on there on how to remove pinstripes, so you guys can check it out. I'm not going to make a video on that. I just wanted to do an unboxing on this eraser wheel tool for you guys. So all you guys really need to do to install this is take this eraser wheel, and these will last you quite a while. So if you're buying it for a one-time use, or for a tool to have in your garage or in your toolbox, these erasers aren't really expensive, probably $5–10 per eraser, and it will last you quite a long time. When you do use it, it does burn off, but it does not damage your paint. So this is what the tool looks like, guys. So it's a pretty large tool, but most eraser wheels that I've used that's about the size, and this one is pneumatic, so it's not electrical. You will need an air compressor to use it, like most of the tools that I've done reviews on. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. If you have any more questions, any videos, any more that you want me to make, or any tool reviews, let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, thanks for watching.